Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Straight ahead we're looking at the Ruthven Towers. This is an apartment building built by the National Housing Trust. Very nice building. There was a lot of discussion about it when it was being built because of the cost of the units. But this is actually what we're looking at is that building is finished and that was phase 1. Now the government or the NHD plans to build phase 2, 3 and 4. And this is the land that they're going to use to build it on, which is where we are. The property is right beside the existing tower. Its property actually was used by the JCF, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, but they're going to use it to build the other phases of the apartment of the Ruthven Tower. So when it's finished, it's going to be 4 towers, over 200 apartments. They haven't started yet, although they said they are scheduled to start sometime this year, but they have not started yet. Alright, so we're just going to give you a quick look at the actual property that phase 2 is going to go on. And when finished, it's going to be, all the towers will be here. It's going to be 4 towers in all. And all 4 will be on this property. So it's a huge property. And if you've noticed nowadays, you don't need a lot of space to put up these buildings. So all of this property will be where the buildings will be. So it's going to be 4 buildings and over 200 apartments. And now that we're looking at it, you could actually have more than 4 buildings here. But the project originally was slated for four towers, because straight ahead is also a part of the property. It goes all the way to that fence that you see straight ahead. They could easily build 7 more buildings here. So we'll see, but right now the project is to build 3 more towers, and in all it's going to be over 200 apartments. So maybe after they finish those, they'll have another set of buildings. And of course, we'll keep you guys updated on the progress once they start. And that's Ruthven Road on the left. We're practically in the New Kingston area, so. And there you can see some other construction going on. That building there is the one on the right. That's Holborn House, and that's Holborn Road there. So all those structures you see here are going to be demolished, and this is where Tower 2, 3 and 4 is going to be. Massive, a very large piece of land or property. Definitely can build 7 other towers that you're looking at straight ahead over here, maybe even more. Alright guys, so this is the future home of the Ruthven Towers phase 2. Alright, we are now going to continue our tour. So this is Ruthven Road we're on now. Some people just this is a JPS office on the left. Straight ahead, that's Halfway Tree Road.